It's time to have a recipe of the week. And Caitlin's here, so we'll see. We're gonna have a little bit more skill over here. Scott has some time off.
It's debatable.
And it combines peanut butter and chocolate, which is heavenly.
Two of my favorite things in the world.
Me too. All right. So we don't have to bake this. These are no-bake peanut butter bars. And here's what they're supposed to look like, Caitlin.
Okay.
There they are. All right, so we're gonna get started. This is a timed event.
Okay. Oh, is that music means that we're starting?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. What are we doing?
I'm going to...
You're buttering the dish?
Buttering the dish. In a medium bowl, we have to stir together the rest of the butter, peanut butter, and confectioner's sugar. So, so I'll give you the butter in a second here.
And then 2 cups. What is this? This is a cup?
So we need a half a cup of butter, which is a stick, so I'm just gonna put the rest of it in there. Okay.
Well, actually, you got, what is that over there, a cup?
This is a cup. You need a cup?
You want me to do the confectioner's sugar?
Sure, okay. So, 2 cups of cream. Okay, so it's equal ratio. 2 cups peanut butter, 2 cups confectioner's sugar. Okay. So maybe you'll do the confectioner's sugar first so that it won't stick to all the peanut butter that's gonna go in there.
Yeah. All right, let's see.
We learned the little trick that, this is a 1 cup too. We can do it this way. Okay, never mind. Can I have that spoon?
Yeah.
Thank you. So we've done. I don't see any Pam out here, but we did learn on Better Connecticut that we could spray the cup and then it won't stick. Oh, Jamie says it. I can't remember, but I'm going to give Jamie credit. Jamie says we learned that from her. Okay. All right, so there we go. There's some peanut butter. It doesn't say what kind of peanut butter to use, but I just think that it says creamy. I'm thinking that the non-natural, even though it's not as healthy, is probably easier for this recipe. Okay, so a little bit more peanut butter.
Ooh, okay.
You got it?
Yep, there we go, perfect. What a mess.
Okay, there goes the peanut butter and the sugar and the butter. So you got all your food groups here. You've got peanut butter, sugar, and butter.
Fantastic. All right, so
that's all then we just mix it. So we're just gonna mix this together, it says, until well blended.
And then rice cereal goes into that. So in the meantime, let's do...
You wanna melt the chocolate chips?
Chocolate. We have 1 cup.
Okay, stir together. It just does not say that you need a mixer or anything, but it is kinda, you need some muscles. If Scott was here, he would like this part. He likes to do the heavy mixing. Jamie, who's an awesome baker, our executive producer, says she thinks you should have a mixer, but we're just gonna do it because this is what it is. My hands are clean. I could just use my hands. I think that would be easier. What does anyone think about that? No, okay. All right. I feel like Chef Plum would say just use your hands and mix it together better. I'm gonna clump up the butter so it's going. It's just gonna take some elbow grease.
You got it.
Like my grandmother used to say, put your elbow grease into it.
You got it.
Need some elbow grease.
Let's see. I'll search. No. No. No.
It's a good arm workout. Nothing else. All right.
Oh, found a stand mixer. That's not gonna help us right now.
The stand mixer. We could throw it in there for a sec. No.
It's in a box.
No, the one on top.
Oh.
Yeah, the one on top. Should we bring it over here and plug it in?
Let's see.
Is it too heavy? It's working. I have a slotted spoon and I'm squishing the butter through it. It's like working.
Here we go.
Yeah. Let's try this. How much time do we have? Oh my gosh, a little less than a minute.
So probably not.
A little less than a minute. All right, what can we do here? Where's the little thing to make it go up? There it is. It's not set up. we're aborting the thing that says that you have to start. All right. What do you think? It's like the amazing. Well, okay. There we go. Okay. All right, it's gonna work. We do have a finished product.
We do. Chocolate's melted.
The chocolate's melted.
Yep.
Jamie. All right, Jamie's saying we can put it together during this quick commercial break, and then you get to come back.
Yes.
And then we get to
you'll-
try it,
We're
too.
gonna do it. So you have the week there. Almost completed.
I'm gonna yell because I don't have a mic.
We didn't add the cereal.
You forgot to add the cereal.
We didn't add the cereal.
Well, we couldn't add the cereal until after we're done mixing.
I know.
That's the final step.
I know.
But now we can. That's okay. We don't need the cereal.